The first time I saw you, a beautiful feeling I could never explain. You came into my life like a morning sunrise, a blessing from heaven, my beautiful prize. A blessing from heaven, my beautiful prize. Through every season, through every storm, your love is the place where my heart feels warm. When the world gets heavy and I feel alone, your hand in mine feels like home. You are the one I love, my darling, the one I've been dreaming of. You are my happiness, my forever, my gift from the heavens above. I'll stand beside you through the years, I'll hold you close through joy and tears. No matter where this life may go, my heart belongs to you alone. Your smile is the light that brightens my day. Your love is the reason I'm thankful to say I don't need riches, I don't need gold. Your love is worth more than anything I can hold. When we grow older and our hair turns gray, I'll still love you the same every single day. Because true love is a promise we keep, a love that grows stronger and never sleeps. You are the one I love, my darling, the one I've been dreaming of. You are my happiness, my forever, my gift from the heavens above. I'll stand beside you through the years, I'll hold you close through joy and tears. No matter where this life may go, my heart belongs to you alone. If tomorrow brings a mountain to climb, I'll walk beside you one step at a time. Through every challenge, through every pain, I'll choose you again and again. You are the one I love, my darling, my heart, my soul, my everything. You are the song inside my heart, the beautiful love that gave me a start. Forever and always I want you to know, my love for you will continue to grow until my last breath, until my final day. You are my dream, you are my light, my love forever, my heart's delight. My darling, you're the one I love now and forever, from my heart above.